I know every one of y'all out there as custodians or cleaners or whatever you do in the cleaning industry, there's certain things that you don't like as much as you do others, you try to avoid. And you may have certain areas that you clean that you're like, oh, I've got such and such area to do today. Well, I have to do this room every day with all of these chairs. So how do I maintain this room right here? Well, basically, I go around it with a dust mop. When it's not too bad, then when it's worse, I have to sweep it with a broom. And when I get ready to mop it, it is a challenge with all these chairs rolling back and forth, because you know as well as I do, when you mop a floor and you roll a chair back in place, it likes to leave them nice dirt wheel marks. So how do I do it? I don't know. With a lot of patience, I guess. Just do it, guys. You just move the chairs out your way, you sweep it, you mop it, you put them back. Now, comes the fun part. Well, what about buffing the floor? Well, I waxed this floor back last May, and I buffed it during Christmas break. So what I have to do, luckily, these nice little tables right here have a little button on the right under here that flip these bad boys like that right there. Unlock them, roll them out in the hall. Chairs and all. Takes a while. One thing that we've tried to do is the teacher in this room put these little rubber stoppers under these wheels to try to keep these tables from moving. Well, it doesn't really work. They still slide. They still get pushed on. So you just have to take the good rooms like this one right here that are kind of empty with just a few tables, with the bad, like this room right here. Now this is more my style. You can get around it and you can clean it. Yeah. Taste clang, clang, clang. Plus, there's been other aggravating things. It's been raining just enough where traffic comes in your door, and about 5 or 10 feet, it leaves that real muddy footprint on your floor. And I know you guys up north in Canada and other places it snows, you're probably like, Mr. Jeff, cry me a bucket full of your salty tears so I can put on my icy sidewalks.